Hi guys, it's Trekkie Baby, aka Ms. Amanda Marie, and I'm here today to try out some new exciting things and some techniques and whatever, so let's get into it. First of all, I'm still using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation, but something I've decided to do is try it without a primer, because I've tried it with two different primers, like a pore filler and an oily primer, and I'm not stoked about the results either way. So I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques face brush and get some of that. I fall in and out of love with primers, really, you know? But I'm using a brush today too, because I'm giving that a try and see if I have any better results. Every time I use this, if I'm looking in the camera, I'm like, it's a little yellow for me, right? But then I'm always pretty pleased with my final product, so it's like, is this a thing? Just finishing up, going down the neck. Blending back into my head a little bit. Okay, so let's get a close-up and see what we think of the texture without primer. Okay, so you can see, God, my skin has so much texture right now. I hate it. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess we'll see once we get powder over it, right? Cairo says hello. Okay, so the other thing that I got today that I'm really excited about, let me just go ahead and fix some texture-y issues here. That's another thing, when I'm using a brush, I feel like it emphasizes my texture a whole lot more. But when I use a sponge, it just presses it into the skin, and I like that. See, I feel like it's slightly better. My Shape Tape arrived today and I'm really excited. I got the color Porcelain Beige. I am nervous about this not being my right color, but here we go, right? I can always return it. Oh my God, like that doe foot is insane. All right. Woo! Mommy. Oh my God, I can just feel how thick it is. Let's go ahead and just do a little brightening with that. I don't know, since this is so light, I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I have a thing that I have a couple things, right? Now that I have like a decent concealer in my arsenal, I'm like, I wanna cover everything. So I'm going in with this little baby sponge, and I'm just taking it. Oh my God. Yeah, this is hella light. Woof. I mean, I definitely have my work cut out for me in blending, right? So now I definitely feel like I need to do a little more brightening just because this side of my face is like, bitch. Oh. Honey, I'm gonna leave that sit there for a second because I am having a hell of a time covering it up. Face demon. I'm gonna go ahead and bake and do the rest of my face and come back and give you my thoughts after I set things with powder and all of that. But, I mean, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I have done the rest of my face for another video, and I'm coming back now to give you my final thoughts on the concealer. I love it. I love it, honestly. The coverage is amazing. I feel like it even helped me with the texture in my skin. Now, of course, with the way the light's hitting, you can definitely still see my texture, right? But I feel like in person, it actually looks better than it does in the viewfinder. I've got some creasing happening up here because my wrinkly ass. I'm gonna have to try it with some other powders besides just the Coty Airspun, but honestly, like, I like it. I like it a lot. The coverage is amazing. The color is like bright, but honestly, I think it worked, right? Anyway, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Feel free to subscribe, follow me on all my socials. Everything I used will be listed below. Comment, like, all the great things, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.